So, hey, what's up, guys? What's going on? And this side Shubham here. You're watching UnZip Tech, and today in this video, I'll be reviewing and sharing my more than 1 month of feedback on this board 330 ANC. So, without wasting any further time, let's get started. Okay, so this is the box which I received when I ordered the product from Amazon. As you can see, this is the Amazon packaging, and yeah, there is nothing to mention much on the packaging. So let's just unbox this, means just remove it out from the packet. Okay, so here it is.
A few moments later.
So this is the product. I throwed everything outside and I just kept the box over here. And so you can see it's mentioned boat rockers 330 ANC, and it is showing made in India. It has different features mentioned over here, and on the side it's mentioned again the branding and the features. On down there is a scanner, and below there are more features which to be taken note of. Also, I'll be talking about this feature in the later half of the video, so don't need to worry much about it. And yeah, in the later half of the video I forgot to mention that it also supports dual pairing, so just keep that in mind. It is a really good feature provided by both, and you can see the price is mentioned over here as 5k, but no worries, in the later part of the video again I'll be telling you the proper price and when to buy this. So let's open this seal first. Okay. Oh, there is one more seal over here.
A few moments later.
Okay, so finally we have opened the seal successfully. And oh, again it's not a satisfying unboxing, sorry guys, but yeah, let's go ahead with the unboxing. So this is the box, the actual box which we are going to open now. And where to open it from? Okay, here we go. So it's having a little bit of glue on bottom. Then this is the paper which you get when you open, and here they have mentioned something again, the same branding. And yeah, let's keep this aside first and go with it one by one by removing this paper on the side. The same thing they have mentioned, but here they have mentioned how to turn it on. Okay, let's keep this aside over here. Okay, and then here comes the earphone. So the presentation wise, it is a really good way they have given, and if you remove this outside you'll find some things below also. So yeah, this is about the earphone. Let's see the things which are below, and you get this with every boat earphones, you know. Let's keep this aside, then moving on to this box. Okay, so there are some paperwork inside with some stickers which you can use. So this is the 1, 2, 3, and yeah, many other you can use it. It's a very good stickers also, and same thing, it comes again with the branding. And here we go. I don't know why they provide such a big paperwork and all with this boat earphone. See, here we go again. This is the warranty card. Easily we can go on the website and claim the warranty. By the way, for warranty, okay, first we'll talk about this. So this is the type C cable which you get, and yeah, you can charge with this obviously. And talking about the warranty, you can easily use your invoice also of Amazon and go for the service center and claim. Let's remove this earphones first. Okay. So the earphone material is really good. It comes with a rubber and metallic finish, and here they have written boat and nothing on the left side. I mean no buttons on the left side. And see, it's like little metal finish, so it gives a cold vibe over here. Then going towards the right side, you get on off switch, the power on off, and then volume rocker, and then ANC also. Also the charging port is on the right side. Here again boat sticker. And then going towards the buns, you will get a magnetic buns over here, and here you will get with a black color. Then this is a transparent finish given in the front, which looks really good. I like the finish of this product, and yeah, as I said, it's magnetic. So that's it about this product. Let's go towards the reviewing part. Okay, so as you guys saw, I just now unboxed this earphones, and yeah, just to tell you guys, this earphones just weight around 37 grams at least on paper. And yeah, talking about this thing, it has a magnetic buds, but unfortunately this doesn't have magnetic play pause or magnetic on off feature. If it would have been there, it will be a really good feature in this budget segment. So moving to the next point, this earphones has a 13mm driver, and also they have some crystal bionic technology which comes from Boat, and they say which will increase the vocal as well as the bass performance. So yeah, I didn't feel it as a vast difference, but it seems like you are increasing the volume. But still, if you are a bass lover, then you can go with this. Okay, talking about the connectivity, you can charge this earphones with the Type-C cable, and yeah, just to tell you, it is a very good feature, you can say, which I like it. It has this cap on the top which can be used when you are not charging the earphone, so that it makes it more dust resistant, as well as it will provide corrosion in the charging port. Also, it will be good that the dust won't go inside whenever you are using the earphones while traveling and etc stuffs. So yeah, it's a good. And talking about the connectivity with the mobile phone, it has Bluetooth 5.2, so it can pair seamlessly, they mentioned. But yeah, I find a good thing about this over here was, since it is having Bluetooth 5.2 and no other devices or mostly rare devices will be working on 5.2, there won't be any distraction in between for the audio which has been transferred from your mobile phone to the Bluetooth earphone. So that is a good feature. But yeah, one thing I noticed while I was using this earphones in the beginning, that this earphones when I use for calling, and my smartphone was in my pocket, and I find some of disturbance in the sound, means my friend was not able to hear me properly when I am speaking with him on call. But yeah, time by time, I don't know how, but this problem got sorted off and it was good. Okay, so as I mentioned, the cap which feature it comes with, just to let you know that this doesn't comes with a proper dust resistant warranty, but yeah, it comes with IPX4, which means you have water resistant. Focus on the word, the water resistant. It's not waterproof, so you can't dip it inside the water and then go for claiming the warranty. Then it comes with a specific ANC button which helps you to go into ANC mode or ambient mode or standard mode. And when you turn on the ANC, it has on paper mentioned 25 dB. And yeah, when I tried calling, it wasn't that good experience. And one more flaw of this earphones, when I'm using it for music and I'm on ANC mode and suddenly I call or I got a call, and the earphones while calling, it goes automatically on ANC, right, when you are in standard mode. But since I was already on ANC, this earphone switched to standard mode instead of staying on ANC while I was on call. So this feature might be a bug also, or this is a small error which I thought of telling you guys before buying this earphone. And yeah, like all other earphones, this has a Google Assistant support as well as Siri support, so you can pair this earphones with your Apple devices too. Okay, so talking about the problems, as we already discussed, there is a problem with the ANC as well as calling issues I faced in the starting. And after that, one more problem is if you go on Amazon and you check this black color, you will find some orange color tints over here and the earphone this way. So I ordered that one. I wanted the black one only, and it was good. I got the black one, but I don't know which color they will give for you guys. If you see on the box also, it is mentioned as black completely, but when you go on the website it's like having orange tint, so I'm not sure which one you will be getting, so you have to order and check, right? Also, if you will go on Flipkart, this same model has been sold with the name of Boat 333ANC, but yeah, you will be getting a braided cable over here instead of a rubber cable. So if you want to go with a braided cable, you can go buy through Flipkart, or you can buy it from Amazon too if you want a rubber cable. Okay, so talking about the price, on box price they have mentioned 4990, which is around 5k, but yeah, that is not the truth. And going for the actual price which is listed on Amazon on normal days, it's 1999, which is around 2k. But yeah, I got this earphones in offer, and that offer price was 1699, which is around 1700. And yeah, I have a quick tip for you guys. So this earphones went at its lowest price of 1499, which is around 1500. And yeah, are you thinking how I got to know this and why I haven't waited for that price movement? So see this graph, you can see it clearly that the lowest price went till 1499. And yeah, maybe it is a launch price because Boat usually launches this earphones at a low price, and then they see the hype and all, and they fluctuate the price accordingly. So I thought that 1699 was a good deal to go with, and I went with this price. So if you're thinking to buy this earphones, I will suggest you, if you are a gamer, you won't be enjoying that much good latency, but yeah, if you want for a regular purpose, it is a very good. And when I'm listening music with the ANC mode, it's actually cancelling out all the background noise which is coming from outside, and yeah, it gives a very immersive music experience. And while gaming also, if I turn on ANC, it is a very good thing. But yeah, one thing to notice, whenever you are using a Bluetooth earphone for your gaming, your phone will automatically switch to your mobile phone mic instead of using this mic. So that will give irritation for your teammates, but as of now, not for you. So yeah, you can go with this, and for regular use, it is a really good device. And talking about the price for which you should buy is, should be around 1700, little above, little below will be fine. That's it for this video. So see you guys in the next one, and do let me know in the comment section how was the video and what are your feedback and what all things you will like to know more about this. So see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.